Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to speak few words from my beloved teacher. Goodbyes are always hard, but they are especially hard when they involve someone who have been an important part of our school for so long. We all have been impressed by your passion of teaching, your positive attitude, and you are an amazing teacher. Thank you for your hard work and dedication during your time here. As you move on from your position, we knew that your contribution towards our school will never be forgotten. Goodbye to an exceptional, amazing teacher who have shaped the minds of a pupil teacher. Will always be remembered here by us. You have made a lasting impact by teaching us history and English subject. Thank you for nurturing us. Thank you for your years of dedication and commitment to our faculty. Enjoy your exciting chapters.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Sheikh Majid. I am from 10th A. Today we are together to appreciate our English teacher, IK Shabana Miss. We all know our one of the most important pillar of this school, our soon leave. But I remember some special memory with IK Shabana Miss. One of the most important memories is she will ask me one day, why are you so scared to talking in English, Majid? Then I will tell her, Miss, sometimes I will feel uncomfortable because my grammar is very weak. Then she tell me, talk bravely in front of me as much as you can talk me, and I will you help and correct you. I know a lot of mistakes in all of them. Now the last thing I want to say is that no one can take your place. You are the one of the most best teacher of this school. We will miss you, your presence. Thank you for everything you have done for us. Once again,
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Afshin Mazhar Sheikh, and today I am going to speak about the most respectful teacher, Shabana Miss. It's a privilege to speak on the behalf of everyone whose life has been touched by her throughout the year. She has been the integral part of our school for 25 years, imparting not only knowledge but also wisdom, kindness, and inspiration. Her dedication to students and education has been unwavering. Her position and passion for teaching was unmistakable, and her impact was immeasurable. From the first day she stepped into our classrooms, she has been more than a teacher. She has been a mentor, a guide, and a friend. Her ability to connect with students, to see and nurture their potential, has been nothing short than remarkable. Many of us can recall the moment when she went above and beyond to ensure students understood and beyond the complex concept or offered of word encouragement when we needed them most. She not only excelled in teaching her subject but also teaching life lessons. She have instilled in the value of integrity, perseverance, and curiosity in the student. She influenced extent for the classrooms, beyond classrooms, shaping the character and future of countless individuals. As she embarks on the new chapter of her life, we are filled with joy and sadness both because joy for the well-deserved rest of the life and new adventure that awaits, and sadness for the daily presence we will miss. However, we comfort knowing the legacy of the teacher Shabana Miss we will continue to live on, though through the many years of our life. We thank you for your many years of your service and your unwavering commitment and your boundless compassion. Your retirement is not the end of but the beginning of the new journey. We wish you happiness, health, and fulfillment in your future endeavors. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal and teachers. As we all know about that, my beloved teacher IK Shabana Miss is going to retire in few days, and we are sad to see her go. IK Shabana Miss took every advantage of every spare minute. She had to teach her students. Sometimes she would even quarrel with other teachers to get a hold of our class free periods. When I think of her, I am reminded of her favorite dialogue, which was talk in English. She hates to hear Hindi by students. I will always appreciate the efforts you made to teach us. Thank you for all your efforts. May your retirement be as kind as you were to us. And this line is from my heart. You will be missed but never forgotten.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Amra Muhammad Ismail Khan, and I am from 10th C. I am here to speak few lines on our beautiful personality IK Shabana Miss. And she has been since 25 years from our reputed institution, and she is one of the most senior teacher. So I would like to say, dear teacher, thank you for being such an amazing teacher. We have learned so much because of you. You encourage us to be the best we could be, and we will always be thankful to you for all your hard work and efforts to make us who we are today. Thank you for everything you have done for us. Thank you for always being patient and persistent in helping us to grow to be together human beings. And your lessons not only helped us or passes classes but also shaped the kind of people we are daily. And I will never forget the time when you are with us. Your patience and dedication significantly impacted our journey, and I'm forever grateful for your guidance. Our reputed institution would be the same without a teacher, would not be the same without a same teacher like you. Here is to a retirement filled with lots of fun and happiness, I wish. Thank you for being my mentor and making our educational journey more enjoyable. Without your knowledge and teaching experience, we would not have been nearly as successful in our school. Thank you for dedicating your time and resources to ensuring our success. Thank you for creating a classroom that was a safe place or safe space for students like us. Your kindness and understanding helped me find value and build my confidence. And wishing you all the very best in your retirement. I will always appreciate the efforts you made to not only teach us, but I get to know that I always knew you had my best interest at heart, and for that, and I thank you. May retirement to be as kind to you as you were to us. You have made a huge difference in our lives and will remain forever in our hearts. Lots of love and best wishes to our mentor and teacher. And thank you for always believing in us no matter how difficult we made your job. I will always be grateful for your dedication to your learning. Your smile and friendly greetings have given many students the courage to continue their education journey. May your new beginning be filled with happy memories of the 25 years you spent changing the lives of your students. We wish you all the very best in your upcoming retirement. We have behind a legacy of learning. Each lesson, every word of encouragement, and the countless moments of guidance have collectively shaped your students. Thank you.